Hi all. I've got this snowplow, and the controller, it's always flopping around the floor. I've tried to do all different types of things, and I finally broke down and bought the stand. Pretty expensive, like 40 bucks on eBay. But that's what he's supposed to do. So. Okay, so here it is. It's plastic. It's like a hard plastic, like your dash. Give you a couple small screws here. A couple bigger screws. I guess you can take out that one center screw, screw that mount down. Okay, that took a little bit of figuring out. It just kind of pops in like that. See, the mount's like that. You put the cord down in that slot. Put that in there like that, slide up. I think I'm going to mount it right over there on that piece of wood. I think most people would put it on their dash or something like that over here. But I think for me, I'm just going to put it on that wood. So what I did is I drilled out these two holes just a little bit so I could put these bigger screws in. Okay. And then I'm going to put it right over here somewhere. Okay, so the part under there that you screw the cradle into is this little guy here. The screw hole would go on top. I guess you could just put a nut in there. That must allow it to swivel. So that's going to go like this. I don't want it too far away, right? I won't be able to reach it. Let's see. I think right about there is good. Okay, so that's screwed down. Now that little screw just goes in that hole. Tighten that up. Okay, you got that tightened up. See that swivels like that. It can go up or down, back and forth. Cool. So it's not flopping around the floor. Okay. $20 wouldn't have been so bad, but 40 bucks, that's kind of expensive. So they'd probably sell a lot more if they brought it down like $29 or something. Okay, see ya. Bye.